In this video we will discuss about what is Qtum. Qtum is a blockchain network founded in 2016 that combines Ethereum's smart contract capabilities with Bitcoin's UTXO accounting system. It achieves this through a technology called account abstraction layer, which gives Qtum the benefit of implementing updates from both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Qtum is decentralized, meaning there is no permission required to validate transactions. Anyone can run a node, needing only a device and internet connection. Qtum uses a mutualized proof of stake consensus mechanism to decentralize junk contract attacks. Rewards are split among multiple successful validators and party delay for 500 blocks. Qtum has native supports for token standards such as QRC20, QRC1155 and QRC721. The Qtum cryptocurrency is the network's native token used for transactions fees, stacking, which can even be done offline, and governance. You can purchase Qtum on Binance with a credit or debit card or trade for it using other cryptocurrencies. We have moved a long way from Qtum Bitcoin which it comes to blockchain technology. Most new layer 1 platforms use innovations far beyond the original Bitcoin model. Qtum, however, has taken desirable elements from Ethereum and Bitcoin. These combinations make it a particularly interesting project due to its unique architecture. So, if you have even wondered what makes Qtum Special Academy in there to run you through its unique aspects together. Qtum was founded in 2016 by Ashley Houston, Nellie Mahal, and Patrick Dye. The project ran an ICO initial coin offering in 2017, raising $15.6 million before launching its mainnet in September of that year. The Qtum network's primary concept is to combine aspects of Ethereum ETHM and Bitcoin BTC networks. The term has taken Bitcoin's upsets transactions output UTXO model and combined it with Ethereum's smart contracts capabilities while leveraging the upstream benefits of both chains. There are four significant aspects to the Qtum network: a QTXO model for accounting, a Solidity smart contract platform, an account abstraction layer, a proof of stake consequences mechanism. To create this mix, Qtum has used a modified Bitcoin Core client software to complete the transaction base of their network. The network is called Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible and use Solidity as its coding language. This means you can easily port code and DeFi decentralized finance projects from Ethereum onto Qtum. Also, its custom proof of stake POS consequences mechanism has been made to target critical security issues. What is a UTXO? UTXO and unspent transaction outputs and a common concept in cryptocurrency world. On same network, cryptocurrency transactions are made of outputs and inputs. Sending 1 BTC, for example, required you to use UTXOs as input to then send as an output. These UTXOs are then marked as spent and the output becomes a new UTXO. Imagine you have sending 0.6 BTC. This actually will be made up to 0.4 BTC and 0.2 BTC outputs from previous transactions. However, if you only wanted to send 0.3 BTC, you would need to split the 0.4 BTC UTXO into 0.3 for your friend and 0.1 for yourself. This leaves 0.4 BTC entirely spent and 2 new UTXOs for 0.3 and 0.1. The system of accounting may seem odd, but it has its benefits. It's easy to combine double spending, as you can see if an output is already spent. A network can process transactions in parallel as every transaction contains independent output. Ethereum, on the other hand, uses an account transactions model similar to what you would find with a bank account. This particular model maintains a global state of all balances on this network. Blockchain with smart contract capacity don't normally use the UTXO according system for technical responses. QTM answers is to use an account abstraction layer. As the name suggests, Ethereum's account system is abstracted for its technical implementation. With an account model, smart contracts work with an address or smart contracts and balance. However, with UTXO, a smart contract must decide which UTXOs to use, often across several public and private addresses. Internal transactions between contracts also provide a similar problem. A UTXO blockchain must record all transactions, making the process difficult. All works by using a UTXO transactions output to create a smart contract. It then sends the transactions to the contract account to trigger the contract's executions. The AAL processes the results and adapts them to UTXO. The AAL technology allows Qtum to take advantage of both Ethereum and blockchain update. For example, when non-fungible token sports was added to Ethereum, Qtum had the ability to adapt it quickly. Notable Bitcoin updates were segregated witnesses and Taproot. Being UTXO based also allows Qtum to benefit from the Lightning Network and other technologies. In August 2020, Qtum introduced a new offline staking mechanism for Qtum holders. Rather than give up custody for your Qtum tokens, you can need to provide your wallet's address. Your coins stay in your wallet and can be sent to underlinked at any time. The consequences mechanisms has two actors, superstack and delegators. Delegators send their wallet address via smart contract to a superstack. A fee is agreed on that the delegators will pay, and the superstacker can decide to accept the delegations. The superstack can then stake the delegator's UTXO. If a superstack successfully violates a block, they will share a reward with their delegators and change of fee. Once delegated behind a superstake, you passively earn Qtum. You don't need to be logged into a smart contract, and you can work with an offline solution such as a hardware wallet. Superstacks can then win block rewards for the delegates and charge a fee for staking, but after the delegation, the delegators superstackers can their win block reward to Qtum is Qtum native cryptocurrency, which is distributed to users via the network consequences mechanisms. You can use the Qtum coin to pay transaction fees on the network. Qtum use an ethereum-like model of calculating gas fees. Participate in Qtum on-chain governance protocol by voting on proposals. These could include changing to block size or network fee. During time of high usage, the cost of gas can be lowered and the block size increased to handle layer 1 transaction up to 1100 TPs. If required, a layer 2 solutions like Lightning Network can be used to increase the throughput. Stake as either a delegator or superstacker to validate blocks. Each new block provides rewards to delegators and superstackers. Qtum halves the rewards periodically using a method similar to Bitcoin halving. This mechanism will ultimately create a finite Qtum supply, which will take decades to achieve. At this point, stackers will be rewarded with transaction fees only. Where can I buy Qtum? Binance offers two ways to purchase Qtum. First of all, you can buy Qtum with a credit or debit card in selected fiat currencies. Visit Binance page, choose the currency you want to pay in, and select Qtum in the low field. Click continue to confirm your purchases details as following in the transaction. You can also trade a sections of cryptocurrencies for Qtum, including BUSD, BTC and ETH. Navigate to Binance Exchange View and the Qtum in the trading pair searching feed. This will display all the available trading pairs. For more information on using the exchange view,